I'm very blessed to have a wife like you, a beautiful wife.
And I am equally blessed to have a handsome and hard-working man like you.
I said my husband is not around. What are you doing here? Go away. Do you want me to scream?
Okay, baby. If I were you, I would grab this opportunity and make him mad.
If you touch my wife again,
what we have for the Naga of yesterday wants to contest with me. I will put him in his place.
I don't know why they call me the city boy. What did you say?
Is he mad? He touched my wife.
You will lose everything, including the wife you hold so dearly. I promise you that, I swear to God.
You can't separate the love, Amaka and I share and have for each other.
Think about it. Once you accept to be my wife, man.
Amaka, it is me or Dinaka.
I know it is you. Leave me alone.
I want you to help me get Odinaka's wife.
My chi will never let that happen.
Fine girl, where are you going? I mean, the sun is too much. Why not you hop in? Let me give you a ride.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm a married woman.
this sudden change of attitude is really getting to me.
Change is the only constant thing in life.
You mean all the Naga supplies you this and what? What is it? Okay,
what's it mean?
I told you that Ozo would do anything to win this contest.
Today's your payday.
Is it possible to go to his house once in a while and cook for him?
So she will deliver it?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. Anything I tell her to do, that's what she does. I am aware you left his house after you gave him food. Where did you go?
Hey!
I will not buy again. If you're not going back to the market to continue selling, what else do you want to do? Don't you know it is wrong for a woman to stay idle?
Odinaka, who says I will be idle?
Please come back home. I have missed you so much.
Oh, please don't touch me. Don't come close.
Amaka has changed though. This is not the Amaka I used to know. She even called my full name.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.